is Swami. Today I am speaking from RoboFun Lab and Dubai. Today I make a fishing rod. I use beams, rope, gear, handle, beams and many more parts. I will show you a demo. I will use movable pulley to pull up this fish. I will pull up from this handle. This Paul and Ratchet is help of Paul and Ratchet. If any heavy fish will come, it will not go down. It will just come up. If I will remove this Paul and Ratchet, the fish will go down. Thank you.